Riders who live for the dirt, Yamaha's YZ250F has been a benchmark in the 254-stroke motocross class for years. And for 2025, Yamaha keeps the momentum going with the YZ250F Monster Energy Edition, a bike that combines race-winning performance with factory team styling straight out of the gate. At the heart of the YZ250F is Yamaha's proven 250cc liquid-cooled DOHC 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with 4 titanium valves. Yamaha is famous for its rearward slanted cylinder design and front-facing intake, giving this bike an incredibly responsive power band. For 2025, the engine is tuned to deliver even stronger mid-range pull, crisp throttle response, and improved over-rev, perfect for clearing jumps and powering out of deep ruts. Power is delivered through a 5-speed close-ratio transmission, with carefully selected gear ratios that keep the bike in the meat of the power, whether you're hammering through a whoop section or diving into a tight berm. Yamaha's lightweight clutch and slick shifting gearbox make it easy to keep the bike on the pipe during hard motos. One of the standout features of the YZ250F is its aluminum bilateral beam frame, which strikes a balance between rigidity and flex for precise cornering and excellent bump absorption. For 2025, Yamaha has refined the frame's balance, giving riders even more confidence when attacking rough tracks. Suspension duties are handled by KYB Speed-Sensitive System SSS forks up front and a fully adjustable KYB shock at the rear. These are some of the best suspension components in the class, offering plush performance over small chop while still soaking up the big hits without bottoming out. Electronics are a big part of the YZ250F Edge. The Yamaha Power Tuner app allows riders to wirelessly adjust fuel mapping and ignition timing right from their smartphone, no laptop or special tools needed. This lets you tailor the power delivery for hardpack, deep sand, or muddy race conditions in seconds. The 2025 Monster Energy Edition is also about style. It features the exclusive factory racing graphics package, black wheels, and special blue and black plastics that make it look like it just rolled off the Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha team truck. It's a small detail, but for many riders, having a bike that looks like the one their favorite pro races is a big deal. Braking is handled by a 270mm front disc and 240mm rear disc, with excellent feel and stopping power. The bike also comes with a lightweight aluminum swing arm, a high-capacity air filter for better airflow, and a slim body design for improved rider movement. All of this is wrapped up in a package that weighs just over 234 pounds wet, making the YZ250F Monster Energy Edition one of the most nimble bikes in its class. Whether you're a racer chasing hole shots, a weekend warrior hitting the local MX track, or someone who just loves a high-performance off-road machine, the 2025 Yamaha YZ250F Monster Energy Edition is built to perform, look great, and help you push your limits every time you ride.